So today I just want to quickly talk about something that I have noticed among developers, especially beginners. I want to emphasize why attempting to learn JavaScript in just an hour video is unrealistic and counterproductive. You see, I started my programming journey nearly 10 years ago. And over that time, I have witnessed the incredible evolution of technology and the relentless pace of change in the coding landscape. It's been a journey filled with challenges and rewards. One thing has become abundantly clear to me that the path to mastery in programming, especially language like JavaScript, is a marathon, okay? It's not a sprint. When I first dipped my toes into coding, I was enthusiastic and I wanted to learn everything as quickly as possible. Like some of you might feel the urge to tackle JavaScript in an hour's video today, I wanted to devour the entire programming universe overnight. But that enthusiasm soon gave way to reality. As I delved deeper into programming, I realized that it's not about how fast you can cram information into your brain. It's about understanding the fundamental concepts, internalizing them, and applying them into practical scenarios. This learning process is not instantaneous. It's a gradual journey of growth. Over the years, I have worked on various projects, from small personal websites to complex web applications. And each step of the way, I have learned that true expertise in programming comes from countless hours of trials and errors, debugging, and refining one's skills. So why does the idea of learning JavaScript in an hour's video is a really bad idea? The first one is, JavaScript is a language with vast ecosystem. It's used in web development, mobile apps, even server-side scripting. So attempting to grasp all of JavaScript in just an hour video is like trying to drink from a fire hose. You will get soaked, but you won't truly quench your thirst for knowledge. And programming is not just about knowing syntax. It's about understanding the logic behind it and solving real-world problems, which requires practice and expertise, okay? So you will need more than an hour to build a functional application or debug complex issues effectively, okay? And the most crucial aspect of programming is the iterative learning process. You don't learn to program once. You learn to program every day. You build on your skill, adapt to new technologies. It is a continuous journey of improvement, okay? If you are looking to dive into JavaScript, I invite you to check out my YouTube tutorials. I have organized them into a series that offers a structured and in-depth approach to learning. And these tutorials are designed to help you understand JavaScript concepts at your own pace, okay? So learning JavaScript in just an hour video is unrealistic and it undermines the true essence of programming, which is supposed to be a journey of growth, learning and adaptation, all right? So I want to urge you to embrace the learning process, okay? Set realistic goals and recognize that expertise in programming is built over time. Remember, an hour of learning may provide a glimpse, but it won't take you far on the path of true mastery, okay? So let's embark on this journey together, one step at a time, and revel in the endless possibilities that programming offers. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.